Good day. Today we're going to discuss displacement analysis. This is the lecture 3 for the kinematics of machine elements. So for number 1, we have this diagram. So as far as I remember, this is a front loader. The uh, the original kinematic diagram is shown in the one with the blue ball pen, or in this case, it appears as black. But this one refers to the movement after the initial kinematic diagram. So after moving these piston cylinders, this is the resulting movement that we got. So a way around this is by using compass, protractor, and also a ruler. And most of the time we use the fixed links as a reference, and as we can see here, there's also a fixed link here at E and also at C. So we use that to determine the distances of, let's say, for example, O2A. So let's say we get this distance and we get this arc right here. Then we measure this distance, and by that distance we can compute here with a given C prime in which arc of this, or rather it should look like this, like that, in which arc does the distance coincide with what is given here. The same goes for B and others, but we can see a ternary link here, so we just did that, and then as shown here, and also the actuators, they are also written in the other. So let's proceed for the number 2. The same thing. The new thing here is it might be hard to analyze, so I use a tracing paper to get this one. But easily you can get the ABD and the O1 with just the compass and protractor, as well as a ruler. And then after getting the D prime here, we can see that K is a fixed link, so D to K doesn't move, the distance doesn't move. So we use that as a reference and use a tracing paper for these, for these points right here, H, C, and E. And then we move that tracing paper for the J prime and K prime. Then also the letter D ending up here at D prime. Then we got the E and F as shown right here. Then just copy the actuators. This is the given. Again, what is given as the one written in ballpen is given also in the diagram provided by the professor. So for number 3, we have this diagram. For letter A and B, this is the original position of the, I believe, a clamp. So we are to answer what is the required angle here so that this moves when this moves by 30. What is the minimum of diameter, angle of this B to B prime, this one. So we are to get that if this A moves by 30. And after using the scale 1:2, we got the final answer 22. So that's just using a graphical method, using this distance the same as here. After getting the 30 degrees, I protracted this using my protractor while using the tablets, and I got a 6 degrees. This one is 20 degrees, and this one also is 20 degrees from this, I think, something like that. And then we got the final answer of 22.